So in this Blender how-to video, we're going to learn how to create faces and edges. So first things first, let's see. Select that, and delete. And select faces. Actually, vertices, sorry. Delete vertices. All right. So now this is wide open. And as you can see from our, do see through, there's like a circle here. So we're gonna add a circle, and that's pretty easy. Just go to mesh, add circle, and we're gonna do 90. Okay, and we're gonna do, let's see, 16 instead of 8. All right, and that's good. We're gonna displace this by, we're gonna move this right about there. So put that at 1. Oh no. So let's move this a little closer. So that G X. All right. So it's all lined up right there. And then we can Shift D and then move this right there as well. So now the back and the front are pretty much lined up. All right, there we are. And let's do a square select right here. Select them both, 3, then scale, and try to match them to the circle. And that's pretty good. Okay. Oh, they're not far away. All right. All right. 1. All right. Let's move these back. Cool. That's weird why they moved. All right. All right. And now that we have that, let's go to, let's see, right? Let's close out the image, or just make it go bye-bye, or make it invisible, and make this solid, but we can still see all the vertices and faces. So go to edges now, then select this edge, select that edge and that edge of that circle, and select F. And that's pretty much how you create a face. And then we're going to keep doing this for all this. Right. And remember, like I said, you can also use different selection tools. So I'm going to press C. But remember, you gotta deselect what you're not using. So there. So A. Honestly, it's a little easier to just not use the face tool for this, unfortunately. All right, and there we have it. That is the faces for that. We're just going to continue here. Oh. So there, we have all the faces for that circle on each side. And let's see, I was also going to show you how to create a line from vertices. So we can do that too. Go to vertices right here, select this vertices, and then this vertices that like kind of lines up there, and just press J. Oh, press F again. Oh, and that'll create a line through an edge through that. Let's see, control that vertices, and they're I think on a similar plane, and then you select J, and that'll create another line. So I guess you have the option of being able to create different lines, of creating lines. Let's say if they're far apart or not on the same plane, select the edge, select the vertices, and then press F. But if they are on the same plane, just select them both and then press J, and that'll create a line for you or an edge. All right, so let's go back to edges. Let's delete this, and yeah, just all right. And then we're gonna fill this gap because we don't want that. All right, so right, and F. And we're going to do this all separately. We're not going to do this all in one big thing. Maybe we could, but oh, sorry about that. We're doing one to one like that. All right, and you can just follow along or go ahead and skip this video, and because I've taught you what you needed to know from it. But if you want to stay and finish seeing the build, you're more than welcome to. Oh, big thing before I forget, always save. I think there's an option here that's, I don't know, I'm thinking Visual Studio, an auto save feature. But yeah, always save your stuff, even if it's like every 2 to 3 minutes. I know that seems like a lot, but things crash and like hours of work can go up in smoke. All right. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.